Hello all, welcome to this video where today we will talk about the emergence of world cricket champion Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar was born in a middle class family and became the youngest player ever selected for Mumbai in the West Zone Ranji Trophy League. He was involved in Mammoth 664-run partnership in a Harris Shield game with friend and teammate Vinod Kamli at the age of 14-15. He is the first overseas player to play for English country Yorkshire. He is the only cricketer to receive Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, Padma Shri and Arjun Award. He has the most number of international runs in all forms of the game and has been involved in 6 200 plus partnerships in one-day international by any batsman. On his name stands the record for most number of successive ODI appearances. He also has most number of test appearances for India. In 1988-89, he scored 100 not out in his first match against Gujarat. At the age of 15 years, he was the youngest to score a century on debut. He is in fact the only player to score a century while making his Ranji Trophy, Dalip Trophy and Irani Trophy debut. Sachin played his first international match against Pakistan in Karachi in 1989. However, his maiden test century came in England's tour in 1990. Tendulkar truly comes into his own in the 1991-92 tour of Australia that included a brilliant century on the fast and bouncy track at Perth. He is the only male cricketer to have ever scored 200 in ODI, the feat he achieved against South Africa in 2010. In 1998, Sachin made 1,894 ODI runs, which is still the record for ODI runs by any batsman in any given calendar year. He is not only famous in cricket world, but is also famous in media and social world. Sachin Tendulkar has endorsed more than 100 products in last 20 years. He has appeared in ads for Pepsi, ANZ Greenland's Visa, MRF, Britannia, Boost, Adidas, TVS, Visa, Aviva Life Insurance, Philips, BPL Sanyo, Reynolds, Fiat Palio, Sunfeast, National Egg Coordination Committee, Airtel, Royal Bank of Scotland and many more. Sachin Tendulkar's ads are very popular and his endorsements are still a safe bet for the advertisers. People call him as Master Blaster around the world, and a famous statement is given by Indians: "Cricket is my religion and Sachin is my God." Many prominent personalities of world made hundreds of statements about Sachin Tendulkar. Some of them are: Australian spin legend Shane Warne says, "Sachin Tendulkar is in my time the best player without a doubt." West Indies great Viv Richards says, "He has been a genius when it comes to ability, a Trojan when it comes to work ethic, and a maniac when it comes to his focus." Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan says, "I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart for allowing us to breathe the same air as you do." England coach and former Zimbabwe batsman Andy Flower says, "There are two kinds of batsmen in the world. One, Sachin Tendulkar, and the two, all the others." Former Australian batsman Matthew Hayden says, "I have seen God and he bats at number 4 for India." There are many heroes in the world. When heroes join together and explore their thoughts about one man, that person has to be superhero, or in other words, he has to be Sachin Tendulkar. Some people say he is God for us. Some say he is a master blaster. Some say he is all-rounder. Some say he is the best player in the world. But the question is, what's your opinion?